Greetings, greetings, loved one, family, and my friends all around the world. It is Monday, a beautiful day for a walk by the river. I don't even know what this river's called, but it's beautiful and it's flowing, it's singing, and it was a horse. Some horses in the field. Look. Horses are grazing, the sun is shining, and it's cool. It's a little chilly out, but it's a beautiful day. As you can see, in Keithley, West Yorkshire. I love you guys. Sharing my nature day. You know, wherever I go, I'm gotta find some nature. Give honor to Oshun. Oshun Alade Okin. Flowing free and sweet and beautiful. One love.